The idea for making Insurance Spanish videos started as a personal challenge. I was working with an insurance agency in San Diego, California that had hired a number of younger insurance professionals. They were right out of college and excited to be in the business world. They were also interested in Spanish. One had been a Spanish minor in college. Another had studied abroad for a semester in Spain. As they were learning about the insurance industry, I thought, what if we learned one insurance phrase per week in Spanish? By the end of the year, we would know 52 insurance phrases in Spanish. Then I thought, if we kept this up for 10 years, we would know more than 500 insurance phrases in Spanish. That's probably more insurance phrases than they knew in English at that time. And if we did this for 20 years, we would know over 1,000 insurance business phrases in Spanish. That's more than most people know in their own native language. That's amazing. After 20 years learning over 1,000 insurance phrases in Spanish, these young insurance professionals would be around 42 years old. Not to get too personal, but that's younger than me. So for those interested in insurance, the business world, and Spanish, I saw these young insurance professionals as having a choice. By the time they would be my age, they could be a dual threat Spanish-English bilingual insurance professional, or they could lose all of the Spanish they worked so hard learning in high school and college. No matter what your age, we are all facing similar choices for this week and this year. The choice is yours. You can learn this week's insurance Spanish phrase to help you communicate with others in a practical way, or not. As I started talking with more Spanish-speaking insurance professionals in California, I learned that there is another group of people interested in insurance Spanish phrases. Native Spanish speakers who grew up in the United States speaking Spanish at home, but who never studied and learned Spanish for the business world. So, if you grew up speaking Spanish at home and even tell people that you're fluent in Spanish, but you've ever caught yourself saying something like los down payments, this course is for you. The weekly phrases will build on each other and at times be pretty complex sentences. Don't panic. It's just one phrase a week. We can do this. If you have an insurance Spanish phrase that you want to recommend that we record, shoot us a note. And if you're a native Spanish speaker in the insurance industry who would like to volunteer to offer your voice to a phrase, I'd love to hear from you too. Do you want to learn more? Check out our other videos. Like us and subscribe to the channel. In the comments section, let us know what videos you want us to do next.